What are we doing?
This closet's going.
2 hours later.
Looks like a whole new place in here.
Oh.
Good work. We got the entire closet that is now the bathroom gutted. So that's the closet door. That will be all framed in.
Take that door out and frame it all in. And
so we just gained, God, I can't get this door closed, a lot of space. The chimney, or the old, what is it?
It's where the furnace vent comes
Used to
out of.
be.
It was the old chimney. There used to be a wood burner downstairs.
Wow. So yeah, this is the progress today. Got it all cleaned up.
Oh, it's a long day. New Year's Eve, 2018.
New Year's Eve. Oh.
Starting 2019 off right.
Yeah, with a project, many projects, but it's good. Tell them where everything's gonna be.
The shower's gonna be right here, and I requested from the installer, which is myself, that we do 2 shower heads. We're gonna have a main shower head over here with the spigot and faucet, and then another, maybe a rain, or just another head coming out. And then the toilet will be here. Then we'll put the vanity here. It'll be perfect.
Nice.
Nice and big.
It is so, I mean, look at this. This is where the wall used to be. That's it.
I can't wait.
And then the shower was right there. And now we have all this space, and we gained space here.
Yeah.
Before and afters are going to be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing.
We're going to do a barn door over there.
Yep.
You like our lights? Very exciting. It's just a mess as it sits, but
we love it.
We're excited. Stay tuned for more.
That's right.
Thank
Love
you.
you, Brooke.
Love you. Hello, everyone. So, another day, another project. You can hear Sean banging around in the bathroom still. I am now in the bedroom back here, and my project for the day is scraping popcorn ceiling. The whole ceiling in here, which shouldn't be too bad. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. So, popcorn ceiling, you can see it. It's just a type of texture that they used to use. Sorry about the banging. And we hate it. It's so outdated, and it gets like cobwebby, and not only that, but we want to paint the ceilings all white because they haven't been painted in a really long time. So we just figured while we're doing that, we might as well knock everything down, and we're gonna remud and just fix the texture. So yeah, that's my project for today. It's gonna be messy, but it will look so much better when it's done, hopefully. So here we go. This is a little before of this room. So we have a new ceiling fan. These are brand new from Target. Which we love, and Sean made me these. I spray painted conduit black, and we painted already the walls and ripped up the carpet. So we need new carpet and ceiling fan. So let's get to work.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
Good morning, Pumpkin.
Good morning, Brooke.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going. It's a work in progress.
Yeah, he's framing in. This used to be the closet for the other bedroom. So you saw us rip everything out, and now he's framing it back in because there's not going to be a door there anymore. And he is also having to frame around the old chimney. Right?
Yep.
Is there anything else? Obstacles you're facing?
No. Well, the house isn't level anywhere. So from this corner to that corner over there, it's off like ½ inch.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so in this bedroom, you saw me, I scraped down all the ceilings. And there's definitely parts that still need sanded, like you can kind of see. But overall, it looks pretty good. And we still will have to sand and texture and then paint the ceiling white. But this bedroom's now done. And so today I get the fun job of coming to this bedroom, which is my office, but it's also like been our storage for everything while we're in the thick of reno, and my wedding dress is still there. I haven't got it cleaned yet. It's terrible. But today I'm gonna move all of this stuff out of here and scrape the ceilings in here. So, have a lot to move, but just gotta get to it. So, here we go. We've got to get all of the things out of here. Okay, we are pretty much cleaned up. I'm gonna just poly this area off because I don't feel like moving that. And this, whoa, Sean, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Okay, the room is all empty except a few things that I'm keeping in here and covering with poly. And I'm gonna start getting this ceiling taken care of, ripping down the texture. Okay, we're all done. I made a complete mess, but it looks 10 times better, you guys. Seriously, it feels so good. And now I take a shot vac and a broom and clean all of this up. Okay, so if you're wondering what I use to do this, I wear gloves because the last time I did it, I didn't, and my knuckles got totally raw. And then I take this mud knife. Sorry, it's loud. I take this mud knife, and they have bigger ones, but this one seems to work. Actually, this one's the best. It's got a better grip on it. And I just go up here and add an angle and start scraping. And I press pretty hard to get it off. But that just seems to work the best for me. And now that I'm all done, I think it went pretty fast. How's it look, honey?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So,
looks really good.
We use this, but we have seen videos where people use
like a box or a vacuum attachment to it, or
yeah. So you don't
like
have to make this much of a mess, but I just don't care. Yeah. So this is
night and day.
This is the popcorn ceiling. This is not.
A little bit of sanding will be.
Yeah, we need some sanding and paint, white paint, and I think, what's it called? Drop down, or what's the? Knockdown. So we will sand everything, and then we'll spray the texture, and then we'll knock it down. So we'll use this same putty knife and do a flat knockdown texture on the ceiling and paint everything white. This is getting replaced. I showed you that previously, the fans we bought. So yeah, that is my project today, and I want to start in here, but I have to do it without Sean noticing. Here we go.